In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your signature to Dropbox Sign. This is a quick and easy process that you can complete in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get your signature onto your document. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other option you like. Once you're in the browser, type Dropbox Sign into the search bar and hit Enter. This will lead you to the Dropbox Sign website, where all the action happens. Once you've reached the Dropbox Sign homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, just enter your username and password as usual. But if you're new to Dropbox Sign, you'll need to create a new account before you can proceed. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and definitely worth the effort for the convenience it offers. After logging in successfully, you'll either select a document from your existing files or upload a new one that you want to sign. If you're uploading a new file, make sure it's saved in a compatible format, like a PDF or Word document. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to locate and upload the document from your computer or cloud storage. Now that your document is ready, it's time to add your signature. Look for an option that says Sign or Sign Yourself. Clicking on this will open the signature editor, which is where the magic really happens. Here you'll be presented with 3 options to create your signature: type, draw, and upload. If you choose to type your signature, you'll be provided with a variety of fonts to choose from. Take a moment to browse through these to find one that best matches your typical signature style. If you prefer a more personal touch, select the Draw option and use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature. And lastly, if you happen to have a scanned image of your handwritten signature, you can simply upload it using the Upload option. Once you're satisfied with your newly created signature, click on the Insert button. This will add your chosen signature to the document. At this point, you can drag and drop the signature to the appropriate spot on the document. Feel free to resize or reposition it if needed, ensuring it fits perfectly within your document layout. Finally, review your changes to confirm everything looks good. When you're ready, click Save or Done at the top of your screen. And just like that, your signed document is all set and ready to go. Whether it's for a business contract or a personal agreement, you can now easily share your signed document with others. And there you have it, your complete guide to adding your signature to a document using Dropbox Sign. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Join us next time for more tips and tricks to simplify your digital life.